Wait, fuck, sorry.
Hey, what's up, man? My name is Fitz. I'm a photographer. You can follow me on Instagram at Who Is Fitz. Everything is spelled correctly.
It's gonna be
FITZ. You see, gonna put it on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Right now we're down in Midtown, just shooting, having a little fun. It's very windy. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, we're trying to find somewhere else to shoot now. So. That's not what I paid for them though. I paid like $200 for them.
At this point, yeah.
Bro, I don't even know why you still talking to me about it.
Off-white shit is not expensive.
It always gets me to come right back. I don't get it.
What do you mean?
Let it go.
Pointless.
I don't understand.
Waste of energy.
Deshaun, shut up.
He's just in the background.
Right, just co-sign it. Oh, waste the energy. Over there, tilted.
I'm still calculating. I'm not still.
Yeah,
Think I'm gonna list that up and on a present. Christmas, I wanna stick for a present. Okay?
that's hard.
Gonna beat your bro. Ain't no brain, this thing as I hit. Yo, love me. Always nothing at all. Just to hear how it talk.
You got some love shit. You got some love shit. You know, everybody knows everybody. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you get it.
This one?
That's right.
That one's dope. This one
That's what
too.
she just said.
That one?
Yeah, it's hard.
Once again, sipping in,
We're gonna eat right here.
gin, bitches in. Come on, don't just sell it. Told me the whole story. We was went up to my press and my body like kill. Hold me. Yeah, the shot couldn't hold me. I've been fucked on a homie. Yeah. Fuck your mask up, man. Percocet, Miley Percocet. Go get the baddest bitches. Agent 23, I was in the magazine, the falls edition. Full burn.
I think this is probably one of the hardest fixes that they have checked.
Love me, don't you lie. Come on, I don't wanna die. Keep the pistol on my side. I drink till I'm drunk. Now watch me
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like you.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection.
Too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Right, got a paddock in my wrist going nuts. Niggas call me slipping once a week, so what?
I don't know what day it is. I was also referring to I don't know what day it is in like quarantine times. So yeah, hey, I am face masking. I am also in the process of cleaning my room. Well, I just kind of finished like straightening up a little bit, but I've decided that I'm going to dedicate today to reorganizing my room. It's something that I've been wanting to do for months now. I am not 100% happy with it at the moment. I don't know what's missing, but I feel like I will get a better sense if I rearrange some of the furniture in the room. Let me give you guys an idea of what it looks like. When you walk in, this is what it looks like. I have my two like cubes I got from Target, and I have this set up here. Then I have my mirror, and then clothing rack, mini fridge, and this is my bed. I have a king size bed. This is a bed I got from IKEA. You guys are probably already used to seeing this because I have this in some of my videos in like the background, but my idea is to move my bed around, so swap my bed and my TV setup. I'm just a little worried about my bed being so close to my door, like when I walk in. But as I have it right now, I have enough room to get to my bed, but then it's the like my night tables. We'll see. I'm gonna move it around play with some stuff, and then I'll see how it looks once I get it moved. Hopefully I don't have to move it back. Hopefully it looks good enough to where I can just leave it. First, I'm gonna try to move some of this off the top, and I'm gonna take my TV down. So, oh my god, it's hot still. Duh. I have this like candle warmer. Oh my god, it's really hot. Okay.
If I can't love myself enough to know when it's time to let go.
Trying to figure out the best way to move this around. Okay. I am going to, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna try to pull it from here. No, that's not what I'm gonna do. Okay, let's try it from the back. Like this way. Okay, I think I can do it that way. Damn, this shit is heavy. I think I should take the mattress off. That's just so, no. Okay, I got it now. It's just because it's been sitting in this one spot for so long that it's kind of got stuck. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna be back when I move this bed because it's gonna take a minute. Okay, I just finished moving the stuff around. Actually, it wasn't that bad. It's just I had to like go back and like do this. Anyways, I moved the bed, so now the bed is there. What's kind of bothering me, and I think I kind of thought this before I moved it, was that I wasn't going to be able to center it in the middle of the room. You see what I mean? Because if I center it, it's going to be way closer to the door. So what I'm going to do to see if I can kind of combat this is to move these. I just don't know where I'm going to move them yet, but I'm going to figure that out. And then I need to vacuum. I moved this over here. I like how this looks. For some reason, I feel like I have more space. Like it's further away. I don't know. I think it's just because I just move stuff around. But yeah, I'm gonna continue moving things around, playing around with stuff and see what it looks like. I'm gonna move my nightstands next. So yeah, let's finish this mess. Honestly, it looks like a mess. Oh my god. Okay. Ow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay. Oh my god. Why was that so hard? Let me put some pants on. That's what I really need to do. Put some pants on. Funny bone twice. Oh my god. Wow. Okay. That was a lot. Okay. I just had an idea. This might be way over the top though. I'm gonna try it. Okay. So my idea is to take these two. These are two separate pieces and put them in between, like on each side of the TV stand thing, because this walkway is just not it right here. Like it's a lot. It's too much. No. It needs to go. Now, I'm probably gonna move all these, so just ignore that. It looks like a little like setup, like a, you know, like a TV station, whatever it's called, entertainment station, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I like this better. I'm gonna finish with the rest of this. I'm hot as hell. I'm so hot, it's not even funny. But yeah, I'm gonna finish moving a little bit, tweaking around, and then I'll check in with you guys when I get to like a happy place. What's up, guys? It's the next day and I finished organizing my room. I'm actually really happy with the layout right now. So yeah, let me show you guys real quick. So now when you walk in, my bed is right here and I really like how it looks. I have to, again, for like the 15th time, reorganize these two shelves. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but I want to make it more accessible from this angle now, because remember before they were right here on this wall. So
the first complaint I got came from a customer and she said that you called her a bitch.
That's not what I said. That's not what I said. What I said was, your mother's a bitch. She called me a bitch first, so I said your mother's a bitch.
So you're verifying that you did call her a bitch?
No. No. I said her mother is the bitch. That's what I said.
While on the clock?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm. She also said that you said you were going to beat her ass next week?
That's not what I said. That's not what I said. What I said was, if she keep trying me, I'm going to beat her ass in 2 next week. It was Thursday. She was going to blink. It was going to be Wednesday. That's what I said.
Miss Savage, that's not even possible.
It would have been possible that day while I'm magic.